What's up guys, Crypto Sniper here. I'm making this other video for reveal my strategy. It's the same strategy that I'm using for make up to $500 a day using a combination of two indicators. So let's go into the video, and don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for other video like this. So for start to use my two indicator and my strategy, we need to, before everything, we need to sign up on Bybit, because here will be the exchange, the platform where we're gonna use to place our trades. And if you do using the link that you will find below in my description, as you can see here, Crypto Sniper, with my referral, you will receive up to $30,000 bonus. So this is the first step that you need to do. After you subscribe to Bybit, you will see a panel like this. This is the chart. This is the panel where you will be able to place our orders and also see our indicator. So let's start to add the first indicator, that it's called MACD. That stands for Moving Average Convergence and Divergence. That basically is the indicator that it's used to identify momentum and is used for understand for it's basically the indicator that give us the signal when we have to buy and when we have to sell. So this is the most important indicator that we need to absolutely understand how to use and have it installed in our chart. So we go here, we add our first indicator. So don't worry if it looks a little bit confusing, because it's absolutely easy to use. So no worry and stay with me until the end of the video. The second indicator that we have to add, it's called stochastic oscillator. That it's momentum oscillator that will tell us if the market is overbought or oversold. So even from this indicator we will have an idea from where the direction the market is gonna bring. Okay, so let's add our second indicator. We go here, we click stochastic. That's perfect. Let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, so now we added our two indicators, but before I explain the strategy, I remind you once again to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel, because this video will really helpful and it will drive you amazing profit. So before we apply the strategy, before we start to enter in a buy position or a sell position, we need to change the settings of our indicator, because the strategy that I'm gonna explain you, it's based on the 1 minute chart, and both indicator must be settled for the 1 minute chart. So we will go on settings from the MACD, and we will change the fast lane from 12 to 20, the slow one from 26 to 32, and the signal one to 8. Then we click OK, and here the job is done. Then we go on stochastic and we click on style. Sometimes you will see this orange line that we have to remove. So I selected because I want to show you how you will see the graphic at the beginning when you will install. You will then go on settings, remove the D, so you will see only one line. Okay, this is the first thing that you have to do. And then the 20 line, we will leave it like this, 4, okay, and 3. So these are the numbers that you have to place in the same orders, even if you use another, for example, if you see the chart on TradingView, the configuration is absolutely the same for everything. Then we will gonna click to OK, and now we settled our chart. So how it works, the strategy. The strategy is very easy. So let me explain you how it works. For example, first of all, we start to analyze the bigger trend, because even if we're gonna place our orders, our buy or sell orders in the 1 minute chart, because we will do fast scalping trade in the 1 minute chart, we always have to try to understand the trend and understand what's the bigger size of the market are going. So let's do this. As we can see, we had the consolidation, then we dropped down, we filled the gap. I made a video about this drop on Bitcoin a couple of days ago, because I was sure that this gap, it was just about time to get filled. In fact, we took an amazing sell, and that it gave us nice profit for me and for all the people that follow my copy trading. So after we see the chart, we saw that it was the drop, then it bounced on this line, and now it's trying to go up. So we have to try to looking for a buy. And when we will looking for a buy, we will enter for a buy when we see this trigger line. This is the moving average line. This orange line is the trigger, okay, and this one is the blue moving average. We will enter for a buy just when we see the trigger. Let me make you larger. When we will see the trigger, so the orange line below the blue line, and the blue line above the orange line, and the stochastic indicator must be above this middle rectangle, so this middle area. So when this oscillator, even if we have a buy signal from the MACD, the oscillator is inside this range, we are not gonna do nothing, because it's telling us that there is indecision in the market. So we're still gonna wait. But let me show you another example of a trade that we opened already. So because we also took this buy, that it was amazing, and it's still open, it's still in profit. So as you can see here, in this exact point, we can see that the stochastic is moving outside this area, so it's already one signals that we can go for a long position. But most important, we can see here the orange line that it's below the blue line, it's continue to going up. We see all this green candle that it's telling us that there is a lot of volume and a lot of momentum in this candle, and the more the candles, the more the price goes up, the more the times goes by, these two lines get more and more separate. So it gives us very safe signals for enter for a buy. Then when we see once again that the line, the orange line is trying to go above the blue line, it's already a good signals for tell us that we can close our buy, and more or less it's around here. Okay, so basically the strategy is this one, guys. I hope you understand, you will apply. Let me know in the comment what you think about this strategy. But before I leave you, I want to remember that if you want to follow our trades, you can do it 100% automatically. So even if you don't have an experience and this is the first time that you are starting to approach the crypto trading world, you will find the link below in the description for go on cryptosniperofficial.com, and you will see all the instruction that you need for copy our trades 100% automatically. Here's the website, cryptosniperofficial.com, and from here you will find the 2 steps, all the steps that you need for join our trading club, for copying our trade 100% automatically, plus join our community of snipers that is growing like crazy every day, and we're doing all together huge profits. It's amazing. That's it guys. So let me know what you think about this strategy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button, and see you in the next video. Ciao.